Our breast enhancer inserts are super popular because they boost your cup size by 1 to 2 cup sizes. This is our Subtle Boost. Now the Subtle Boost has a cushioning on the inner section, and it's designed to slot into your clothing, and it adheses on either side. So it's double-sided adhesive, super tacky, and it's really good too. This is a small size. It also comes in a large. So this is an A to B cup, and then it's also got the C to D cup. But you can slot your boobie cup in, and it can pull and hold your breast into a position as well. So if you're quite big busted and you don't really want a lot of size, it's more just to hold your breast, I'd definitely go for something like this. And even though it's got that small cushioning underneath, it doesn't matter. It kind of just slots in, and your clothing is going to also hold your breast into that position as well as the cup. Then you've also got the Double Boost, and this is great because it's super thick, super padded. But there's also a trick to using this as well, and being a padded, super thick product, you do need to wear it with something form-fitted and very structured, like the top that this model is wearing now. So when you're wearing a breast enhancer insert, it's either got to be a fabric that's not stretchy, like a silk like what we have here, and or if it's something super stretchy, it's got to be extremely tight because you want it to be pulling and sucking in and holding that cup into position. Otherwise, it's just going to stick out. So I couldn't wear it under something like this unless I'm wearing the Subtle Boost maybe, but definitely under something thick materialed, super tight, super structured. A lot of brides like to wear it under their wedding dresses. A lot of bridesmaids like to wear it to fill in the gaps so you don't have that section where it's really open and gaping at the front. So it's going to pull your boobie up and hold it into position so you've got that volume to give you the support you need under that certain style that you're wearing. Now, how to wear this product. Let's start with the Double Boost because it's a little bit more trickier. Deciding which side the Double Boost is going to sit on your breast is super important. So at the top, there's a little L and a little R in the top corner. So this would be the right side. That is the top of the cup. And what you do is you just need to slant it into a position or slot it in a way where it's the chunky part on the outer bit is the extra meat that's giving you the volume on the side of your breast, and the thinner part obviously tapers up to the side. Now, wearing it straight on top of your breast is not going to work. It's more something that sits on the outer edge and to pull your boobie in. So let's try it on Dee Dee, my little model here. So we're going to pop this, and it's like really feeling for where it's going to sit on her properly, grabbing your fabric, pressing it into position, and then pulling her top back on. So you can see that has completely elevated her chest. She looks like she's got a bigger boob on that side, which is pretty cool. And you do the same for the other side. But for the other side, I want to show you how to use the Subtle Boost. And with the Subtle Boost, it's pretty much the same thing. So we're going to, again, pull your breast up, slot your little cup in, and it goes on top on the outer edge of your breast, and then you're using your fabric that's going to sit and hold that cup into position. So pop her little strap back on there. I don't know if I strap that on. You can also just slot your hand in and maneuver it around. Pull the fabric into where you want it to sit, and then press it against your skin to hold it. And that's pretty much your Double Boost and Subtle Boost. So this has given her a small little boost, and that's your Double Boost there. Caring for this product is super important as well. So we want to make sure that when you're taking it off, you're giving it a good wash with some soap and water, and on both sides, let it dry. You can just place this somewhere on nothing that's got fluff, that's for sure. Definitely like a porcelain in your bathroom sink, because even though the bottom is also going to be washed as well, you can just leave it, it will dry, and then you pop your covers back on. So do not lose the plastic covers that they come with. You can also use these products under water. So if you're wanting to put them into your swimsuit to give you an elevated boost in cup size, you can definitely do that as well. In your triangle bikinis, they're really cool. So if you're quite a small busted girl, it's going to give you a really nice volume under your bikini, and it won't fall off in the water because it's adheres to your swimsuit as well as your skin. So it's pretty cool. But make sure you just cover the plastic over the adhesive after you've used it, and it's literally ready for your next use. It's also important to prep your skin before using an adhesive, especially making sure that you've washed your skin with soap and water, gently exfoliated. Make sure your skin is super dry. Do not use any moisturizers or oils because that will repel your glue. And make sure your skin does not have any water or moisture because that also repels the glue. And you want it to be super tacky, so when it grips on, it's really going to adhere and it's not going to go anywhere. It's going to stay still. So make sure you're prepping your skin before using an adhesive. I know you get so excited, you can't wait to try something on, but you don't do it because your skin carries natural oils and we don't want that to damage any of the glue when you're going to wear it out properly. Hope you enjoy the breast enhancer inserts.